Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to reward you with an entire tour which consists of a kitchen, a living room, a bedroom, another bedroom, and another room here in the attic. So where do we start? Why don't we start here? This cathedral ceiling. It's one of my favorites. That was a handmade bed right there, and two artificial plants from Michael's. And then I just decorated the walls with little pieces of scrap. I took a ribbon and I made it a curtain. Then there's a lamp back there which actually lights up, and I should have turned it on before I showed you this. There it goes. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. And the door over there, it leads to a little porch. So that's the cathedral room because of the high ceilings. Next to it is a regular bedroom, another handmade bed that I made using a box, wrapping it up with bounty paper, and looking for felt pieces to make bedspreads out of them. Then on the side here, some autocollants from the Dollar Tree as wall decor. Then this huge bracelet that made me think of a closet. That is a huge bracelet. Then over there, more miniature pieces from my collection. More autocollants. Look at how beautiful they look on the walls. A rocking chair and a sewing machine. So these two rooms are next to each other. Up here we have the little attic. This is a cupcake cup that I'm using as a little table. Plastic dresser, black and white checkered, file folder for the walls, a little doll there, and then I decorated the ceiling with little pieces of cardboard that I wrapped up with wrapping paper. So that is the attic. So you have the attic, the bedroom, the cathedral ceiling bedroom, the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. This is that Thanksgiving kitchen that I made a video of recently. I took some of my bakery goods and placed them in here. And those two people are working on setting up the table. Look at the charm at the window there. The clock. And it's all decorated with that black and white checkered file folder. The entire kitchen and the flooring too. The table is a big piece of ceramic with just the base. And my little favorite chairs right there. Now the turkey, you must be wondering, but this is actually a pirate hat. That's all it is. But I saw it as a roasting pan, and that hat is supposed to be the turkey. I didn't have a real turkey, but that's what I made. Then right next to it, you have the living room with some nice stairs right there. have a little area here with an Egyptian fireplace, a clock with an earring around it as added decor. Then over here in the middle, the rug is just a napkin. So if I remove this, you'll see that it's a napkin. Oh, and my picture there. Me and my hubby on both frames. I even decorated the ceiling right there. Well, this is the entire house, and I'm showing it to you because I've already posted a video on every single room. This was a flea market house that I bought for $25, and I made it come to life. That's how the front looks. And that's the reflection of the mirror. If I back up, you can see it looks like two houses, but it's not. See? That's a dresser there. So you can see it in the mirror. That's the front. So for Christmas, I'll be turning it around and I'll be decorating the front. So that'll be another video for you. Okay, I think that this will be it. And thank you for watching.